Hi, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to show that how can we dynamically call a flow from another flow if the flow is initially in the state of stop. So what I'm gonna do is this is my flow which does not have any initial state right now. So I'm just going and putting it a stop here, so it will be stopped initially, and then I'm going to start this flow with the help of some code. So let me save this code, and so that the it get deployed again. In the meanwhile, I can show you that what is the code. What it is doing actually is just setting the payload hello from Munis Saeed, and it's logging that payload. It's initially stopped, so nothing is going to happen here. It's deployed, but nothing is going to happen. But I have another flow which is going to start this flow. This is an HTTP listener which is just which has just as a path start flow, and after that it has execute component. If you can just find here in the palette, just go here and find execute, and in the scripting you have the execute of scripting. You just put it here, and you just need to use this piece of code. I will share this code in the description section, and you need to select Groovy, and after that you are good to go. I will just go ahead and just uh, hit this listener, and we'll see the results. So I'm here. I already have this thing set up here. I'm clicking send. So I'm going back in the sudo and see what happens here. And see, it has logged the message. Uh, so it's saying starting JMS test flow. So it actually started the test flow. Now its stage will be start. Uh, so this way you can start and stop a flow.